Progress Academy. We have a problem on surds to simplify. We are given to simplify root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1 over root 27. So what do? Let's bring down our solution. Okay, and bring down the question. So we have root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1 over root 27. So if you look at what we have, this is like simple fractions separated by plus and minus sign. So we're going to find the LCM. So I'm saying find the LCM. So let's find the LCM. What's the LCM here? I'm looking for the LCM of root 3 and root 27. What can go here? So root 3 will go. Root 3 divided by root 3 will give us 1. So root 27 divided by root 3. So what are we going to get? So if we are going to test it out, let's test it out somewhere. We're looking at root 27 divided by root 3. Root 27 is the same thing as root 9 times 3. What we did here is that we found two numbers that can multiply themselves to give me 27 in such a way that one of those two numbers is a perfect square. So 9 is a perfect square. Okay? All over root 3. When I simplify it further, I'm going to have that root 9 is 3. Root 3 all over root 3. So root 3 will cancel out to root 3. So when root 27 divided root 3, we got 3. So let's apply it here. So root 27 divided by root 3, we got 3. Now what can go now? 3. 3 into 1, 1. 3 here, we have 1. So that means the LCM we're looking for will be 3 times root 3. It will give us 3 root 3. Alright, let's simplify. Let's start from here. So I will write down the LCM. I draw a line over it. I will now say 3 root 3 divided by 1. Of course, this is over 1. 3 root 3 divided by 1 will give me 3 root 3. 3 root 3 times root 3. So let's simplify it. First, I have 3. I will write it down. Then root 3 times root 3. It will give me 3. You may ask me why. It will give me 3. The reason is because if root A multiply root A, it will give me A. When the root of a number multiply itself, it will give you the number without the root, okay? So root 3 times root 3 give us 3. So we go over here, plus 3 root 3 divided by root 3. The root 3 will cancel out, so we have 3. So 3 times 1 will give me 3. Minus 3 root 3 divided by root 27. If you observe very well, you see that 3 root 3 is the same thing as root 27. You can see it from here. Root 27, when we simplified it further, gave us 3 root 3. So when 3 root 3 divided by root 27, we're going to get 1. And 1 multiplied by this 1 will give us 1. We'll go further to simplify. So 3 times 3 will give us 9 plus 3 minus 1 over 3 root 3. Let's simplify the numerator. 9 plus 3 will give us 12. 12 minus 1 will give me 11. So I have 11 over 3 root 3. But in mathematics, we don't allow the denominator of any fraction to have a surd or to have a root. So when we are seeing this kind of thing, a root in the denominator of any fraction, you do what we call simple rationalization. Do rationalization. So rationalization means multiply both the numerator, which is this, and the denominator by this irrational part of this denominator. So I'm going to multiply here and this place by the irrational part, which is root 3. So when we multiply them, we're going to have 11 times root 3 will give me 11 root 3 all over. Remember, I have 3 here. I write it out. Root 3 times root 3. I told you root A times root A is A. So root 3 times root 3 will give me 3. So on the final step, I'm going to have 11 root 3 divided by 3 times 3, 9. And this is our answer. Bye.